Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2009 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a four-wheel drive, 6.4 power stroke diesel. It's only got 90,000 miles. It's got 11-foot IMT Dominator service body, 7,500 pound crane, hydraulic air compressor. It's a one-owner truck. It's a super nice truck. When we got it in, we didn't have to do anything to it other than clean it up a little bit. Whoever had it, they really took care of it, and you can tell it. AC blows cold. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control. Work the crane in a minute. I will tell you, if you're looking at this truck and you're thinking about buying it, don't wait too long. This is probably one of our most popular trucks. A four-wheel drive chassis with an IMT Dominator. They just don't last long, especially when they got less than 100,000 miles on them. Really don't matter if they got 400,000. The PTO on. Up, winch down, extension out, extension in, counterclockwise, clockwise. Obviously it does a lot more up and down and around. I'm just showing you that it works like it should. Compressor. Compressor, outrigger's working, work lights in the back. Power inverter. Got a water pump right here that turns on this switch right here. Really low hours, what I remember. Yeah, 3,200 hours. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want us to ship this truck to you, we can ship it straight to your door. You're gonna be looking around $2 a mile. Normally it takes 3 to 7 days to get the truck. It could take more and it could take less. It could be immediately. We don't have someone just sitting here waiting to leave out with the truck on a transporter. But like I said, normally 3 to 7 days you'll have the truck. People want me to say, you'll have it tomorrow. I can't tell you that. They want me to say something that I can't tell them I'll do, you know, that could possibly not happen. I tell people that every day. I'm not going to tell you I can do something I know that I possibly can't do. If you want to be lied to, go to another dealer. I'm going to tell you the truth every time. You can come pick the truck in person, pick it up in person. You're welcome to do that. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. We can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. I guess that's about it on this truck. Like I said, it's a really nice low mileage truck. Somebody really took care of this thing. Obviously low hours, low mileage, didn't see a lot of usage. Four-wheel drive works. Just a nice truck. Paid a lot of money for this truck, and it's not cheap, but you know, it's very hard to find these trucks, especially in this setup. I actually watched this. It wasn't a truck set up like this one, but I watched a truck that you can buy new. But the problem is you can't find a new one. That you can buy a new one for about $190 to $220, depending on how you outfit it. I seen a used one today with 20,000 miles, bring $240. So it brought, you know, 30,000-40,000 more than a new one with 18 or 20,000 miles. So the market's crazy. If you see a truck you want, you better jump on it, because they're not going to last long. And I'm just telling you that. If you buy one from me or buy one from whoever, if you see something you want, you better not wait. But all right, that's about it. If you're interested, give me a call. 256-310-6852, heavymetalauto.com.